In front of me I have HUAWEI Y5 2019, and I'm gonna show you how to block a phone number on this device. First we need to open the dialer. To do that, let's just tap this icon right here. Now we need to tap on the More Options button right here in the top right corner, and then select Blocked. Here let's tap Settings icon right here in the top right corner. Now let's select Blacklist, and here we can tap Add, and we have options like Add manually, Match prefix, Add from contacts, Add from call log, and Add from messages. In our example, we're gonna tap Add manually, and now we can type in the number we want to block. And then tap OK to confirm. And now all the messages and calls are gonna be blocked from this number. To remove the number from the blacklist, we just touch and hold on it, and then make sure it's selected right here, and then tap Remove to remove it. And then tap Remove to confirm. And that should be all. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.